Welcome everyone to Chemical Processes and Equilibrium, a course that will transform the way you see the chemical world around you. Over the next lectures, we'll explore the dynamic world of chemical processes, from the moment reactants collide to the beautiful balance of equilibrium. Our journey has three main parts. First, we'll master chemical processes, energy change, reaction rates, and the factors that control them. You'll learn why catalysts are chemistry's magic bullets and how molecular collisions lead to reactions. Second, we'll explore equilibrium in depth, from basic principles to Le Chatelier's famous principle that predicts how systems respond to stress. Finally, we'll apply these concepts to specialized equilibria, acids and bases, solubility redox reactions, and electrochemistry. Each type reveals unique principles while following the same fundamental laws. By the end of this course, you'll think like a chemist. You'll be able to predict reaction behavior, calculate equilibrium positions, design buffer systems, and understand electrochemical processes. More importantly, you'll see chemistry not as isolated facts, but as interconnected principles that explain the natural and technological world around you. So buckle up. We are about to embark on an exciting adventure through the dynamic world of chemical processes and equilibrium. Let's get started.